Yes, good morning students. Next topic liver. Next topic liver. So the liver is the largest organ. Liver is the largest gland of the human body. So the liver is the largest gland of the human body. So the weight is about 1.2 to 1.5 kg. 1.2 to 1.5 kg in the state book. In the NCERT book 1.3 to 1.6 kg. The females, the normal adult females 1.3 kg. Next one males, adult males 1.6 kg weight. Once revise, the weight in the state book, the state textbook, the weight is the 1.2 to 1.5 kg. In the NCERT book 1.3 to 1.6 kg. The females are the normal adult females 1.3 kg. Next one, the males are the adult males 1.6 kgs. So they are the liver weight. Next one, liver location. They are located from the below the abdominal cavity. So they are the just below the abdomen. They are the below the abdominal cavity. They are presenting on the right side. Present in the abdominal cavity and right side. They are presenting on the slightly right side. Next one, these are presenting on the two lobes. The liver contains two lobes. One is the right lobe, another one is these are the right lobe, these are the left lobe. The liver contains two lobes. One is the right lobe, another one is the left lobe. Next one, the transverse section of the liver. These are the transverse section of the liver. The liver contains lobes. How many lobes? Two lobes. One is the right lobe, another one is the left lobe. So these lobes, they contain lobules. The lobes contain lobules. So these are the lobules. The lobes contain lobules. The lobules are the structural and functional units of liver. The lobules are the structural and functional units of the liver. Next one, the lobules contain hexagonal hepatic cells. The lobules contain hexagonal hepatic cells. The hepatic lobes, the formation of the hepatic cords. The hepatic lobes is the formation of the hepatic cords. So these are the hepatic cords. The hepatic lobes, the one to the another connected to the formation of the hepatic cords. Next one, the hepatic cells. The liver cells are one cell to another cell separated. The cells are covered by the Gleason's capsule. They are presenting on the Gleason's capsule. The liver cells hepatic cells are covered by the Gleason's capsules. That Gleason's capsules are separated from the one cell to another cell. Once revise, the liver is the largest gland of the human body. The weight is the 1.2 to 1.5 kgs. Next one, they are located from the abdominal cavity from the right side. Next one, these are presenting on the two lobes. One is the right lobe, another one is the left lobe. Next one, the lobes contain lobules. The lobules are the structural and functional units of the liver. Next one, the lobules contain hepatic cells. The hepatic cells the production of the bile, the hepatic cells, these are production of the bile, they are secretion from the bile. That bile is coming from the hepatic ducts, the left side one duct and the right side one duct. So, they are the bile juice is coming from the hepatic ducts. Next one, the two hepatic ducts, these two hepatic ducts, the formation of the common hepatic duct. So, they are the right hepatic duct, they are the left hepatic duct. These two ducts, the formation of the common hepatic duct, right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct. These two is the formation of the common hepatic duct. Next one, they are the cystic gland, they are the gallbladder. So, the gallbladder, the presenting on the duct, that duct is called the cystic duct. The duct is called the cystic duct. So, the common hepatic duct and cystic duct, these two they combined to form the common bile duct. So, these are the common bile duct. So, the common bile duct, the connecting from the pancreatic duct. So, they are the pancreatic gland, that duct is called the pancreatic duct. So, the common bile duct and pancreatic, these two is the formation of the hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct, first one left hepatic duct and right hepatic duct. These two is the formation of the common hepatic duct. So, the common hepatic duct connecting from the cystic duct. These two duct is the formation of the common bile duct. So, the common bile duct is connecting from the pancreatic duct. So, these two is the formation of the hepatopancreatic duct. These hepatopancreatic duct is open from the duodenum of the small intestine. These hepatopancreatic duct is connecting from the duodenum of the small intestine. They are presenting on the sphincter. That sphincter is called the sphincter of Oddi. That hepatopancreatic duct connecting from the duodenum of small intestine. This region presenting on the sphincter. That sphincter is called the the sphincter of Oddi. The sphincter is called the sphincter of Oddi. So, these are the liver. So, the liver presenting on the last, the central presenting on the central vein. Next one, the between the hepatic cells presenting on the Kupffer cells, That Kupffer cells, the functioning is the phagocytic in function. Phagocytic means they eating from the foreign particles like bacteria, viruses. So, they are eating from the foreign particles. So, these are the structure of the liver. Liver is the largest organ of the human body. That weight is the 1.2 to 1.5 kg. They are presenting on the two lobes, left lobe and right lobe. These lobes are presenting on the lobules. The lobules contain a hexagonal hepatic cells. That hepatic cells are combined to form the hepatic curds. So, they are the hepatic curds, they are hepatic cells releasing from the bile. So, the bile entering from the hepatic ducts to common hepatic duct, common hepatic duct to common bile duct to hepatopancreatic duct. So, next one, the between the hepatic cells presenting on the cells, that cells is called the Kupffer cells. That Kupffer cells functioning is the eating to the foreign particles. So, these are the structure of the liver. Next one, functions of the liver. Very important 4 marks question in IP exam. Functions of liver functions. Last year March exam, the 4 marks first question, functions of the liver. So, the liver, the function from the synthesis, storage and secretions. So, the liver perform the functions of the synthesis, storage and secretions. Next one, the liver secretion from the bile juice. The liver secretion from the juice is called the bile juice. They are the yellowish green in color. The bile juice color is the yellowish green in color. Next one, the pH. The bile juice pH is the 7.6 to 8.6. The bile juice pH is the 7.6 to 8.6. So next one, the liver secretion from the bile juice. The bile juice, the color is the yellowish green in color. Next one, the pH is the 7.6 to 8.6. Next one, the liver is also play a key role in the carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. Next one is also perform the function of the protein metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism and protein metabolism is also perform the lipid metabolism. Lipid metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism, protein metabolism and lipid metabolism. Next one, this is also called the liver is also called as thermoregulatory organ. Thermoregulatory organ. So the thermoregulatory organ means they are the production of the heat from the body. They are production from the heat. So they are called the thermoregulatory organ. Next one, the liver is also called as detoxification organ. Detoxification organ. Liver is also called as detoxification organ. Next one is also they are releasing from the fibrinogen and prothrombin. Fibrinogen and prothrombin. These are synthesis from the fibrinogen and prothrombin. So they are the blood coagulant factors. Blood coagulant factors. Next one is also synthesis from the heparin. Is also synthesis from the heparin. So these are the blood anticoagulant. They are the blood anticoagulant. So these are heparin is the blood anticoagulant. Next one, the liver is also called the hemopoietic organ. Hemopoietic organ in the embryonic stage. Embryonic stage. So the hemopoietic organ means the production of the blood cells, RBC, white blood cells and platelets, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So they are the hemopoietic organ. Next one is also called the erythroclastic organ. Erythroclastic organ. So erythroclastic organ in the adult. Adult stage is the erythroclastic organ. Erythroclastic organ means the old RBC destroy the old RBC. So they are called the erythroclastic organ in the adult stage. Next one, this is also releasing from the storage of the vitamins A, D, E and K. They are storage from the vitamins A, D, E and K. Next one is also stored from the iron and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. Next one, the liver is also called as functioning as the phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function. The phagocytic in function means they are eating to the foreign particles. Next one is also the bile juice contain a does not digesting enzymes. Bile juice contain a does not digesting enzymes, but it contain a bile salts and bile pigments. Bile salts and bile pigments. Bile salts and bile pigments. So they are the functioning is the emulsification of fats. Emulsification of fats. So they are the functions of the liver. Once revise the functions of liver, the function perform the synthesis, storage and secretions of the factors. So they are synthesis, storage and secretions. Next one, the liver secretion from the bile juice. The bile juice color is the yellowish green in color. Yellowish green in color. The pH is the 7.6 to 8.6. Next one is a play a key role in the carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism means glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, glyconeogenesis. Glycogenesis means conversion of the glucose to glycogen. glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis means conversion of the glycogen to glucose. Next one, glyconeogenesis means the carbohydrates, proteins and lactic acid. So they are the formation of the glucose. Next one, they also play a key role in the carbohydrate metabolism. Next one, lipid metabolism. Next one is the formation of the ammonia to urea or ornithine cycle. So they are help from the ornithine cycle. Next one is there are also help from the Cori cycle. Next one, detoxification organ. Detoxification organ means they are the removal from the toxins of the circulatory systems. Next one, they are the releasing from the fibrinogen and prothrombin. Fibrinogen and prothrombin. They are synthesis from the fibrinogen and prothrombin. So they are the blood coagulant factors, blood clotting factors. Next one is also synthesis from the heparin. So they also releasing from the heparin. Heparin is the blood anticoagulant factor. Blood anticoagulant factor. Next one, the liver is the hemopoietic organ in the embryonic stage. Hemopoietic organ in the embryonic stage. Hemopoietic organ means the production of the blood cells. Production of the blood cells. Next one, erythroclastic organ in the adult stage. Erythroclastic organs of the adult stage. So erythroclastic organ means, so these are the worm out RBC, lifetime completed RBC. So they are destroy the RBCs. Next one, they are stored from the vitamins A, D, E and K. They also synthesis from the iron and vitamin B12. Next one, they also thermoregulatory organ. Liver is also called as thermoregulatory organ. So the thermoregulatory organ means the production of the heat. Production of the heat. Next one, they are the phagocytic function. They are the phagocytic in function. The phagocytic function means they eating to the foreign particles. Next one, their bile juice does not contain digestive enzymes, but it contains a bile salts and bile pigments. So these are emulsification of fats. So these are the functions of the liver. Next topic continue to the gallbladder and pancreas.